Dear traders, hello, a warm welcome to another video on this channel, Trading Diary. This is Albert, and I would like to present to you my recap of week 46 of 2024. So week 46 2024. So as you can see here, I added a new window to my Thinkorswim, which is the SPY daily, the Qs daily, and the VIX. Just to give me a quick overview of how the market is doing today. And you can see, so this week was from 11th to 15th of November. And we can see that after an initial move up, the market started to pull back again. Now hitting the 20 EMA here, and last Friday, donk week 45, a lot of my stocks on my watch list were moving and gapping up, and I didn't trade them because I was not here, in fact, so I couldn't. And then I suffered a bit from FOMO, and Monday then I got into a lot of stocks were moving, and I got into a lot of them, but I got stopped out. And then I had a nice one or two, but then I got stopped out like 2 days later. And then since the market has been pulling back here now to the 20 EMA, so Friday I didn't trade, although I had really nice, yes, I did one trade, but also a loser. But the other stocks that I had on my watch list were rallying. And Thursday, so Monday a lot of trades, and then Tuesday didn't trade, Wednesday less trades because I figured that I was over trading on Monday, and then Thursday one or two, and then Friday another one. So that's being said, this is the market as it was last week. And now I would like to present you my trading journal that I'm using, which is a spreadsheet. So it's just a Google Sheets, and you can see here that so here's the date, then the stock I'm trading, then the ADR, and then what kind of setup it is. So daily gap up, 5-minute opening range break here, and then the price I get in, my stop, and then how many stocks I'm buying. Always for $50 risk, right? I'm always buying for $50 of risk. I don't know what happened here, but I think I miscalculated a bit quickly. I was too quick. And then AA, another loser here on Friday. So ZK, this is how I saw it. Then on Monday, so it was forming this kind of cup and handle, I guess. Cup and handle, this is how I interpreted it, at least. And then I saw this really strong move, so breaking out, really strong move. I got in here on this pullback. I was expecting a leg higher, but it didn't work out. I just got stopped out for a couple of cents. Then on the 5-minute, then it pulled back the next day here. Before then, on the next day, third day, then going further up, but I got back in here. So it was breaking out again. I got in really early here, and then I had this really nice move of 7%, but I didn't sell. So I didn't sell, and then the next day, which is here on 14th of November, which is then, yeah, big red day on the SPY. So yeah, gapping down massively, and I sold because I was undercutting my risk. Yeah, but I think this was really nice move. So another symbol here, which is HIMS, with a high ADR of 8.7 at the time. So it was consolidating sideways, and then on the 11th it had this gap up, and then this really strong move upon the open. I was observing here, I was hesitating to get in here, but I didn't. I missed it because I was checking some other stocks, and then so I thought, okay, it had this pullback here and then another pullback, so I got in here. and I got stopped out here for a loss. And then I thought, okay, let's go for a bounce of VWAP, but it didn't work out either. So yeah, could here a bounce of 50 EMA, then would have worked out here with a bounce of the 50. And then, so this was here. Then the next day, small red day, and then another move on the third day. So here, small red day, and here another move. Here on the third day, so moving up, I got in for the opening range break. I thought it was going higher, but it wasn't, so it moved higher. Yes, it did, a couple of 4%, and then it pulled back, and I got stopped out as it was breaking the lows of the opening range break, which was my stop. So yeah, and then I was gapping down, and now it's been selling off since. MSTX was moving quite a lot, so this was also a trade I got in. So MSTX was moving really nicely, but my stop, as you can see, like, was too tight, really, and I was like really annoyed. So it had this mess, so gap up on the 11th, then massive move of 12%. Then I got in on this pullback here, touching riding the 9 EMA, and I got stopped out since my stop was about here. It was pulling back to the 20, and then I was riding another 17%, which is amazing. So yes, a really strong day this day. Then followed by consolidation, sideways consolidation here, a bit higher than selling off. Now sideways consolidation. Let's see what it does here. So it had a green day on Friday again. I was observing it, but not actively trading it. So let's see what it does from here. But you know what? I'm not even angry. It's already really, really nice to find these super strong stocks. 17%. So the total move was 28% of MSTX from the 5-minute opening range break. So that was really an amazing move. And look at the volume, massive volume coming in. So this is 1.8 times the average volume or something like this. Really, really nice. I'm really happy to have found this stock here. I think that was a good trade. For sure, I've got to work on it, to work on my strategy, but I think it's finding these stocks is already a huge win, in my opinion. You tell me. Then on a Monday, there was SOFI, so SOFI, also gapping up. So there were a lot of stocks gapping up on Monday, really strong day. Already Friday, a lot of stocks were breaking out, and Monday there was just continuation of the move. So let's see, Monday here got in. So again, move from the open, pull back to the 9 EMA, the VWAP, then strong move here, 3%, 3.7%, pull back to the VWAP, and I got in here, a stop below, got stopped out. That's all right, I guess. The stock has been selling off, so now downtrending, back to the 9 EMA. And I was also observing it on Friday as it put in the a green day, strong day on Friday. So I was not touching it. Look at this. I saw that here, I saw it here, and then I saw it here. This high tide flag here. I didn't get in, but I saw it and I observed it. And 2% move. It's not that big of a move, but it's all right, I guess. So last ticker for Monday was LMND, which is here. Look at this. So the stock. So here earnings on October 31st, and then since been moving upwards, and it's been 62% I mean, that is just crazy. So it was again gapping up on Monday. I got in and I lost on it. Yes, I think I'm the only one who lost on this stock. I mean, super strong, and I lost on it anyways. So look at this clean move from the open. So opening range break here, 5-minute opening range break, then massive move up here. So 11% move, and then I got in here and the move just didn't continue, and it undercut here. My stop loss was here. So then on the 13th I had RCLT, which has been going sideways and putting in this really nice wedge. So it's been breaking out of the wedge here, and now it was consolidating again, and I thought, okay, I've seen this already, right? So breaking out, retesting, going sideways a bit, and then going higher. But no, this time it didn't. So it broke down again. So it's retesting, you see here. It's retesting but look, I think this is to the penny. It's retesting the former resistance, which has got support. So let's see what it does here. And then I will be watching it. It's got higher IDR. So let's see what it does from there on. Same thinking here with SMR, higher IDR stock, loads of volume. So look at this. So here, consolidation. Look at this. This is what I saw, at least, like here, this, and this, right? So a wedge breakout, then retest, and I got in here as I thought it might move higher, but now it's again retesting also the wedge. Look at this. So let's see what it does. Higher IDR stock. I think it was still a all right trade. So another one, Vera, VERA. Got in. So look at this. For me, this kind of a cup and handle pattern here. So we've got the cup here and then the handle. So this might be like, I don't know, arrows, right? Some random shit happening. So yes, cup and handle here. So got in here on this breakout day. Really happy that I spotted this day. But unfortunately got stopped out again and again. So here, then bounce of VWAP and 9 EMA. First candle to make a new high here, 5 minutes, but then no follow through and selling off. So then I just saw that it was approaching the VWAP again, and I thought, okay, let's give it a shot if it's going to break it. Like 50 EMA was still going upwards, 9 EMA was pointing upwards, 20 EMA was pointing upwards, might go, and then it failed, got stopped out again. It is what it is. I mean, and then look, gapping down since like 6%. Let's see what it does here. Perhaps some more consolidation, getting tighter price range. And then, so another one, IO and Q, is that I'm still in the trade, as you can see. So I'm up $160. That was a really nice trade. I was really happy with this one. Really, 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 really happy. I think I haven't said enough. I was really happy with this trade. Really happy. So look at the move here. So on the daily. So it was below the 200 EMA, and now the 200 EMA is going upwards. So this means for me, if I'm not mistaken, look at this. So this should be now a stage 2 uptrend, as Minawini is talking about. So here, perhaps this might be a consolidation or downtrend, stage 4 downtrend. Now stage 2 uptrend. Here, look at this strong move on the weekly. I mean, this stock 220% in a couple of weeks. I mean, this is amazing. Really strong ADR, 14%. Oh my God. This is crazy. So let's see where I got in, right? So this is what I saw. I would show you what I saw. So I saw this move, this pullback. This would have been nice to get in here. I mean, 90% move, really nice here. Look at this pullback, high tide flag, pullback, undercutting the 9, but bouncing out the 20, and then strong move to the upside. And look at this. So I got in here for the break of this flag here. So I had this, look at this, that was beautiful. So strong move upon the open, pulling back, bouncing out the 20 EMA. I saw it here. Then I saw the selling here. I hesitated on this one, but that one was rather reversing quickly, so I was happy not to get in. And then I saw the strength, and I got in here. And since it's been moving up, so my stop was here, 24.80 here. My stop here, and it's been moving up ever since. So let's see, a really nice trade here on this one. So SFHG here, then on Thursday, I can remember this one really well, because it was gapping up. I found this on Finwitz on the day, and it was just, so I bought it here. You know, I saw this high tide flag here forming. Then I bought it here for the break, which turned around so quickly, and then I just sold it for a small loss, because I was like, okay, look, man, there's no volume then in this stock. There's no point in trading this. Although the ADR is really high, there is no point, no volume. I don't want to touch it. Don't. And I saw this on a couple of trades that I did this week, so we will be more focused on higher volume stocks from now, because I saw that the volume was just missing. So breakout without volume is not really what I'm looking for. I want a breakout and I want volume, right? So which shows that there is interest in this stock. So that's what I want to see. Oklo, Oklo, this has been so beautiful. No, not anymore, but it has been. So look at this. So far, really nice stock. Look at this setup, really nice. Volume going back a bit, so low volume sell-off days, and then strong buying here on higher volume. Really nice. So I got into this stock, but then got stopped out. I think I bought here for the 5-minute opening range break. Kind of, I thought, okay, it was strong, but it was just a big seller here. Then I bought it here, but got stopped out quickly. And then I bought it here, which was really nice buy, in fact. And then I adjusted my stop. So I moved it up. And so I made some money back, but not all of it. I was slightly red on it. But this one was a really nice buy here with a 4% move then. And going sideways more or less, but got stopped out here because I adjusted my stop. But then on the next day, gapping down. I mean, that's so sad. That was such a nice setup. Look at that. Qualmaki would have been so proud. So proud of me. See, right? Oh, it's also earnings date, earnings release. Yeah, Qualmaki always wants. I think he's never trading into earnings. So this is why, I guess. I think he would not have been proud of me. I think he would have been, I don't know, insulted me a bit, perhaps. But then on Friday, then I was seeing AA here. And I got in here. I got in here for the next move higher. Failed, got stopped out. And I got in because of the high volume, right? So there was high volume on AA. And I got in. Although it's a lower ADR stock, I will not touch it in future anymore, because this was a unnecessary loss. Well, it could have worked out, but just if I stop already losing on lower ADR stocks, I will already stop losing perhaps 1/3 of my losses, I guess, and then focus on the higher ADRs. But then on Friday on my watch list, which I really liked, but I did not get in because I was not really in front of my computer Friday. So which is, I think I have to work on this one too. But anyway, so I had PLTR, really look at this. PLTR, really nice flag here, high tide flag here, intraday, then moving up, 3% move on really high volume. Like, I mean, but this one was so extended. This is why I was just observing it, right? So look, really, really far from the 9 EMA on the daily. I was not going to touch this one. Then I had TSLR, which turned around here after a day, pulled back to the 9 EMA. So let's see on Monday what this will do, right? Monday might be interesting, but I was considering it. I was not getting into it because I thought, no, I think I have to nail down one strategy now, and I cannot all the time run around and try different strategies. So I might let it go. I will take a screenshot, so make a new folder for intraday settings, and then I should be good too. So I can study these in future. So Upstart, UPST also having a turnaround day. So let's see, like, look, bouncing on the bottom here, the lows of the gap. Let's see what it does. Also higher ADR. RKLB also had a turnaround day. Really nice. So was watching this one too. Look at this. I mean, that was such a strong day here. 11%. Really. And then Root. That was this one. I was feeling FOMO. Oh man, so badly. Really. So it moved up. I saw this consolidation. I was hesitating to get in here, but I did not because volume was so low, right? So there was no volume on this breakout, so I didn't get in. And now I'm wondering, should I get in when there's low volume? Or should I just say, no, not for now. I'm not experienced enough. And I guess I will do that. I will not get in. I'm not experienced enough. And I will get green on high volume stocks first. And then I can allow myself to try some more things, right? I have to learn to walk first because I can run around and about. So yeah, but another thing is that I'm really, really happy that I found these stocks, because in the beginning I was always struggling finding these stocks, but now I am finding these stocks, and this with a free screener, which is really amazing. So okay, it's delayed, but Finwits it's not that expensive. So I think this might be a good idea to invest in Finwits, because it seems to be really, I like the how it's done, how I can set the screeners and stuff like this. I really like it. So it's good. It's working for me at least. So everyone's got to find the thing they are liking, and I'm liking Finwits at the moment. So yeah, that was it. So what did I learn? I have to focus on high volume. I have to stop getting into all the stocks that are moving, because it's just not helping out. Too many things. I also think that as the market was pulling down from here, perhaps I should not have been trading on the previous day. Although I got into EO and Q, which is a nice winner so far. So I am not sure. I think I have to work on my stock selection. So this is next week's task, working on my stock selections, getting more precise, and I think more regular in front of the screen before market open and putting in the work. All right, so okay guys, I hope you liked this video. There was a lot of information, and comment below things you liked, things you didn't like, and I hope you all have a great upcoming week and loads of success. Take care. Bye.